Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Part 2 on the handheld console thing will not be coming out because that Pi got destroyed. Not to mention, I'm not gonna order another screen. That would be the 5th screen I've ordered from that company. Like just that screen. And so, here's the cheapest printer that I could find on Temu. It is the Easythreed k10, and I've been printing with it for about a week and a half now, and it's not a bad printer. Here's a print I did earlier today, and it's just a little eyeball, and so I like it. It doesn't have a heated bed or anything, but it is my only functioning printer. I do have an Ender 3v2, but that thing just doesn't work, so I mainly use it for parts. And this was literally the cheapest 3D printer on Temu. It's not a bad printer. It was super easy to assemble and disassemble, like, got the print head. And so I got it for $76 on Temu, and with tax and shipping it came out to $81. And so it was the $80 Temu printer. But like I said, it's my main printer, so I'll throw up some prints I've done on the screen right now. And so it works with my CAD, and I'm gonna do a time lapse of it printing because there's nothing pretty much special about it. This was a rather short video. I just wanted to tell you all about it. Okay, so this print didn't come out the best, but it's a Minecraft sword. I like it. It is what it is. Thank you for watching this video. I will leave the link for this, so if you want it, you can get it in the description. It's the Easythreed k10. I know there's the Easythreed k1, I don't know about k2, but I know there's the k7, k9, and k10, and then the k1 I've seen not tutorials, but videos on, but it's a good printer for what it costs, and you can get a heated bed upgrade for it, which I got new magnetic build plates, and I'm gonna buy a heated bed. If not, you can use hairspray like I do. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.